Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing, first impression and first thoughts on this Craftsman V20 mini fan. Where is the model number? Oh, there we are. CMCE010B. I saw this and I had to buy it. It was like 30 bucks. I've got all the other counterparts. I got the larger one, but this little, it's like a desktop one. Looked really cool. Got a charged up battery right here that we could try it out. And so in the box you get directions, don't you always, and you get a fan. There's no battery, no charger, no nothing. Directions and a fan. And I think if you've used any of their other products, it's pretty self-explanatory. So moves that way, moves that way. Got a little, looks like it's a variable speed. Let's put a battery in it and give it a shot. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you hear that? Puts out a good amount of wind. I like that. So it'll be nice for having kind of, you know, on the desk here, you know, in wintertime to try to cool you down, because it gets hot in here in the wintertime. Wow. Okay, so it doesn't go up any higher than that there. This guy, pretty much any way you want to face it. I suppose it could be good for drying areas off too. Anyway, I like it. It's quiet. We'll see how long it lasts with this battery, but sweet. Anyway, that is my first impression of this Craftsman CMCE010 20 volt fan. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.